In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can safely eject a USB from your Mac. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you have a USB drive connected to your Mac, it's going to pop up as a specific option, essentially an external drive. And don't worry, the exact same steps are going to work for really any USB or even an external drive. But essentially what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom left corner of your dock and select your Finder. If you don't see it on here, just hit Command and space and then type in Finder. Open it up and you're good to go. And you're going to see a bunch of different stuff over here. Look on the left hand side and find the little locations option on here. I currently don't have one set up on here, so you're not going to see it on here, but you're going to see your USB drive in this section. Essentially, go ahead and find the drive name. And if you hover over it a little bit where this little check mark is, there's going to be a little eject icon. Simply go ahead and select that, and after a few seconds, the drive will disappear from the list, meaning it's been safely ejected. Now, the second method is just as easy. Essentially, go back to your Finder, find that USB drive again, and then just right-click it or two-finger click it. It's going to pop up with a little menu that looks like this, and then, of course, hit eject in this section as well. Give it a few seconds, and once that drive disappears, you can safely unplug it from your Mac. If it does not eject right away, just wait a moment, try again, and sometimes the drive is still going to be used in the system, but it really is as simple as that. That is how you can safely eject a USB from your Mac. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point you did have any questions, once again, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.